Hi everybody, we are going to make beautiful painting. Take a heart-shaped canvas and spread paints on both the sides. We have already done a partition with sellotape. Then spread the color like this. Then we are making different shapes like moon, and we are taking sponge and making clouds on the other sides. One surface is night and the other one is day, and how pretty this is looking. We are making different shapes on the surface using white sheet. We are cutting different buildings on it. As you can see, it is giving a neat look to it. Then we are repeating the same process on the other side like this, and look, it is looking so beautiful. The night city and the daydream, I guess this is looking so pretty. Do let me know in the comment section below which side you like the most, and give it more shape like this, and add a mini surface like this in the center, and two girls with umbrellas, and look how pretty this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.